Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little coin change purse. I got two pieces of 4x5 material and I have a 4-inch zipper. I'm actually going to sew the zipper onto one part of the material. Get my zipper out of the way, that would help. As you can see, I have one side of it sewed on. We'll go ahead and sew my other side onto the zipper. I also got a little package of appliques. They are ladybugs. I'm going to put it on the outside of the little coin purse. And I'm actually going to do that before I even sew it together. Just take them out of the pack. And they're like this. I'm just going to set it on the outside wherever I think I want it. And just give it a stitch, a little stitch. It doesn't take much to hold it on. Really quick. I will cut all the strings off after I'm done. Go ahead and take this string off. Put my other one on. Doesn't have to go. You put them on any way you'd like. Just make sure you back stitch it. You want it to hold for you. You can see the little front of it. Now I'm going to turn it, my coin purse, inside out. I'm going to leave it zipped up. Or unzipped, I'm sorry. Leave it unzipped. Turn it inside out. Then you're going to take and you're going to stitch around the three sides of it. Okay, I have it stitched all around the three sides of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it right side out. Make sure you tuck your corners, push your corners out. I could have put a liner inside this, but it's only going to hold change, so I really don't need to. But I cut my string off. I wanted to, I could put a liner because I got some lining stuff. But now you have a little change purse that zips and unzips. I put 2 ladybugs on the outside of it for good luck. My changes always fall into the bottom of my purse, so it's a really cute idea. And it only takes less than 2 or 3 minutes. Cut, like I said, I made this a smaller one, not too big. 2 4x5 pieces of material, a 4-inch zipper, and that's it. And I bought these little ladybug appliques from Joann Fabrics. I've had them for a while. I've been wanting to use them on something. And I had this little red material. I figured, what the heck? It turned out really cute. But if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Keep you up to date on my next video. Until next time, take care.